Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Pitbulls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wellness Complete Health Dry Dog Food. Instead of feeding your pitbull a grain-free diet, which can lead to heart disease, Dr. Richardson recommends one that's high protein with a mix of good for your pup whole grains. This Wellness Complete formula contains a mix of chicken and high-fiber grains including oatmeal, barley, peas, and brown rice with added omega fatty acids, antioxidants, glucosamine, probiotics, and taurine. It's made in the U.S. with globally sourced ingredients and is free of GMOs, meat byproducts, fillers, or artificial preservatives. The result is a food that supports your dog's immune system, energy levels, and skin and coat for overall health. Moving on at number 4, we have the Purina One SmartBlend Natural Puppy Dog Food. In general, puppies need more calories, fat, and a different vitamin and mineral balance than adults, says Dr. Richardson, and that's something this Purina One SmartBlend for puppies takes into account. This high-protein puppy food with 28% protein lists chicken as its first ingredient. In addition, it contains DHA, a nutrient found in mother's milk, that aids with the development of your fur baby's vision and brain development, plus calcium and phosphorus for strong bones, and antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients for overall health. With zero fillers, it's also easy for your little guy to digest. Dr. Richardson suggests feeding puppy food until your dog reaches their adult size, between 12 to 18 months old. At number 3, we have the Royal Canin Size Health Nutrition Large Breed Dry Dog Food. Senior dogs may benefit from changes to their diet, particularly if they are suffering from any age-related concerns such as arthritis. 1 This blend from Royal Canin is formulated for 8-year-old dogs and up that weight 57 pounds or more. The easy-to-digest recipe contains the prerequisite high-quality proteins and fiber along with EPA, DHA, and antioxidants for healthy bones and joints. If your senior dog has trouble chewing, mix with warm water to rehydrate the kibble. Owners may also want to consider speaking to their vet about supplements that can help with joint problems, such as omega fatty acids and glucosamine, chondroitin, Dr. Richardson says. At number 2, we have the Hills Science Diet Adult Perfect Weight Chicken Recipe Dry Dog Food. Pit bulls can be prone to hip and elbow dysplasia, which can be exacerbated by obesity. This is just one of few of the reasons you'll want to keep your pit bull's weight in check. This food from Hills Science combines all natural ingredients, chicken, cracked pearl barley, brown rice, and pea fiber, with added vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to meet your pup's nutritional and health needs. The kibble is large, crunchy, and filling. The brand reports 70% of dogs lose weight in 10 weeks after starting on this food. Of course, kibble is only part of the equation. You should also double-check that you're giving your pup the right portion size and aren't overtreating it, Dr. Richardson says. And finally at number 1, we have the Castor and Pollux Organix Dry Dog Food Organic Chicken Recipe. If feeding your pitty a natural dog food is important to you, it's hard to do better than Castor and Pollux. It's made with ingredients that are USDA organic certified and certified non-GMO and contains no artificial preservatives, flavors, or colors. In addition to its first ingredient, organic chicken, it's blended with nutrient-dense organic flaxseed, organic blueberries, and organic sweet potatoes along with fiber-rich organic oatmeal and organic barley for healthy digestion. While it's pricier than other options, owners who feed their pups Castor and Pollux say they reap the rewards in the form of fewer allergies, less itchy skin, improved digestion, and better health overall. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.